Before I got sand thrown in my eye. Oh, my girl got balloons in here. Thank you.
You ain't got no bed. You can't even look at.
So recommended you.
Who recommended us?
These kind of things in our life.
Alright, so we're currently in the line at the bank. The driver let me wear his hat because it's raining. And yeah, this is definitely a unique experience. That's our car. That's how it looks. It's exciting to me, but like every day to everybody else. Hey. Alright, so we're here. I gotta hurry up because it's a salon waiting for me. Didn't know they operate like this, but it's a national holiday today. So happy holidays, y'all. Hey, won't be right by my side, night and day. No letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady. When I'm with you, it's all I got. Girl, I'm so glad we did. No letting go, no holding back, no holding back, oh yeah. When I'm with you, it's all I got, all of that, yeah. They say good things, so to again. We have arrived. Thank you to Breeze. His name is Breeze and her birthday girl is Breezy. Like, come on now. You can't make those synchronicities out. Alright. But we've arrived. It's so rich out here. So rich. Hi.
All right, come on, ladies. Just a second.
She getting a happy birthday one. We appreciate you. You came through. Yes.
Great Valley Rafting. The name of this river is called the Great River.
Ooh.
This river consists of 7 rivers in one. This is the last port of the river. This is the port that meets with the ocean. For this water back here, it's not all fresh water. It's like brackish, 2 feet under salt water. All right, any questions you ladies have to ask, feel free to ask. No alligators, no crocodiles. We got no snakes around, no monkeys, no. We don't want to see alligators, we go to the safari. Want to see monkeys, snakes, we go to the zoo. For here, birds, ducks, fishes, and water. The only alligator that is here is me. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah. So as I said, any questions y'all have to ask, feel free to ask. What type of music y'all like to listen?
Let 'em out.
Everything when I in my wallet, I in my pocket. I mean, baby that, baby that, baby that, baby that.
Baby, what you say every time because she wanna keep
Might not fuck with you tomorrow.
I might bring you this when I get we here, we in the trips for real. I hope the dog come back. It was a little puppy, a little brown, little cute puppy. Oh my gosh, I hope he come back. I'm gonna summon him. Make me miss my baby, my Coco. But yeah, what they're using right now was originally up in these mountains until it became too exclusive, too kind of like hard to acquire, and now you have to purchase it. So, yes. I'm excited for mine. Slightly. One love.
You all can feel free to leave a tip too, right?
Absolutely.
Take good care of the guy take good care of y'all.
Yes.
Yeah.
$40. Look, man, $35. That's the lowest I can go. You killing me.
As a woman, I will be there. Keep on telling me how I'm coming. Keep on telling me that this game of me will feel it, and you will feel it. Oh, me I feel really squeeze it.
Oh.
Go. Pack it as quickly as you can. We got prizes on the line. Let's go. Get one with it back. With it back. Get it. So, ladies and gentlemen, walking away the winner for this year's Minute to Win It Challenger, representing the Valley of St. Catherine. Ladies and gentlemen, show her some love. That's right, my lady. All right, come over here. Yeah, grab your shoes.
What side? This side, girl. This side. Okay. So hey to my YouTube. Hi. Hi. She's so pretty. What's your name? Gabby. Gabby? That's pretty. She better hook me up. Yes, thank you. Thank you, ladies. Oh, she ate. I love, because everybody's waiting for you. Come on, do another one from the side. She's too busy, you know, handling her business. Cool, whatever. Cheers. Because I'm a YouTuber.
So what you putting me on YouTube for?
Because you're talking to me?
Guys, don't let you put me on YouTube, yeah?
All right. We live with it.
Live
Going to the
with
all-white party.
Yeah, the RIU Reggae. Yeah. Yeah, that's going on the vlog. That's popping on the vlog tonight.
No, that was good. That was good.
That was the rum.
All right, so that was the liquor.
So yo, we the entertainers.
All right, so you remember when we was dancing yesterday?
Nope.
You know?
Yeah, I remember. I remember somebody threw a hardcore on you.
Oh, so you do remember. See, ain't no cap in my rap. Somebody put tequila all in my eyes.
I'm doing the vlog. That's what it is. Yeah. She kind of like a baby. Her friend was out to like bring her to the
This
bed.
is my sister. This is family.
Sister.
Yeah.
Sister. Yeah.
Oh, how you see? He know I'm married. Oh, I done spread it around the whole resort. Yeah.
You want to mind me?
Ooh. All the right, beautiful people, with the getting ready for the party. I'm excited. I gotta tighten up my necklace. But I hope I got a bit of footage of me in my previous outfit. If not, I'm gonna have to put a little vertical video, because that was too. But we're about to get a drink before we go. We got 2 minutes, so let's go. And now we're out. This is my fit. Shout out to my sis because she helped me out. I would not be looking like this. Marijuana? Y'all got that good, Zah? How much?
Not 8:30.
It started at 8.
No, 9. 9:30.
Stop. We're entering. Oh, he about to gag the live. He about to gag the live. Too bad we leaving. Oh, she is cute too. Too bad we leaving. The music is ass. No shade. But this party was a motherfucking 2 out of 10. But to go where it's really thumping at. Cause ain't nobody doing all that ass kissing. Nah. Some of the drivers is already out here waiting for their people. Because look at that. Cause that's just how it is out here. You book your driver and you good. You know we out. Only thing we missing is a nice little plank. Clear the boat. Yo, my legs still sore from that massage. Yes, and it looked like some of my dark spots already gone. And I don't got no more hair. Yes. What was his name? Odin? Omar? O'Day? England. Something. Thank you.
Yo,